Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into admonish. 14 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Rebuke, which means express sharp disapproval or criticism of someone because of their behavior or actions. Rebuke. For example, however much she hated seeing him drink, she never rebuked him in front of others. Number 2. Chastise, which means rebuke or reprimand severely. Chastise. For example, the staff were chastised for arriving late. Number 3. Castigate, which means reprimand someone severely. Castigate. For example, he was castigated for not setting a good example. Number 4. Carpet, which means reprimand severely. Carpet. For example, a top fraud officer has been carpeted for leaking information. Number 5. Upbraid, which means scold. Slovenly. For example, he was upbraided for his slovenly appearance. Number 6. Chide, which means scold or rebuke. Chide. For example, he was forever being chided for overfamiliarity. Number 7. Censure, which means express severe disapproval of someone or something, especially in a formal statement. Censure. For example, the commission censured him for his conduct. Number 8. Reprimand, which means address a reprimand to. Reprimand. For example, officials were reprimanded for poor work. Number 9. Lecture, which means talk seriously or approvingly to someone. Lecture. For example, I do not wish to be lectured about smoking. Number 10. Berate, which means scold or criticize someone angrily. Berate. For example, she had to berate Patsy and Betsy for giggling. Number 11. Reproach, which means accuse someone of. Reproach. For example, Albert reproached him for being late. Number 12. Lambaste, which means Criticize someone or something harshly. Lambaste. For example, the manager fiercely lambasted his team. Number 13. Reprove, which means reprimand someone. Reprove. For example, he was reproved for obscenity. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. It is now the time to hit the subscribe button.